Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to change Wix site URL. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unwin it. So first of all, log in into your Wix account and click on my site, and from here select the site you want to change the URL. And now you have to click on site actions and click on rename site. And here you will get this option, site address URL. Now you can change the URL. You can't change the site domain from here. All you have to do, just you can change the last name from here, and now click on save. And this is how we can change Wix site URL. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unwin it. Thank you for watching.